I'm Liz. This is Entertain Me for the Daily Dose, Personalizing Your Party. I've got 3 tips to share with you today for personalizing your party. Say you've got a big group of girls coming over for girls' night and you really want to make an impression. One of the first things that I do is I love to have a menu card printed out. People love to see what they're eating. It's a great way to personalize the menu that you've worked so hard on and have everybody get excited about the food that they're going to eat. Another great way to showcase your menu is to print on cardstock smaller menu cards and put it on each person's plate. They're really going to give people something to talk about, and they can anticipate that yummy dessert that you've been working so hard on. One of my other favorite things to do to personalize a party is to do food labels. Now this is a really easy thing to do. You don't have to go out and buy anything, spend any money. It's usually stuff that you've got around your house, like lemons, limes, or magnolia leaves from your yard. Say you're having taco night and you've got hot, mild, medium salsa, and you don't want to surprise any of your guests with that triple XL heat jalapeno salsa that you made. Just simply take a paint pen, take a lime, write hot on it, and there's your food label. It'll let all the guests know which salsa to eat and which salsa to stay away from, depending on their taste. One of my other favorite tips for personalizing your party is name labels. Say you've got a big group of people coming over to your party and they don't know each other. You've got some friends coming from work, you've got some friends coming from your neighborhood, and there's that awkward moment when they walk in your house and they don't know who to sit beside and they don't know everybody in the room. Take the guesswork out of that for your guests. Put name cards and things that you have around your house that are easy to use. Corks are a great way to do this. Slice a little ridge in the top of the cork and you can put your place card in that. Clothespins are a really easy thing also to use for place cards. They stand up and they give you some good elevation on the table. One of my other favorite things to do is also give my guests a little treat when they come to a dinner party. Buy some small potted succulents, put their name on it, and not only do they know where to sit and they're going to be sitting next to a new best friend, but they're also going home with a little gift.
Only one network brings it all home. The Design Network, home revealed.